tech tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to disable YouTube Premium on mobile and PC. Before we start the video, remember to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Also remember to get any video 30 likes if you want a face reveal at 100 subs. I'm going to start on mobile first. So the first thing you have to do is click on your channel logo in the top right. Then click on paid memberships, even if it's a free trial. And then you're going to find the premium subscription, and I found it right here underneath paid memberships. And you click on the arrow, and then you press deactivate. I'm not going to actually press it because I have to record on PC, but once you click deactivate, it will cancel it. And if it's a free trial, you won't be charged for anything. Next, I'm going to show you how to do it on PC. On PC is very similar to mobile, but I'll just show you guys it just in case you couldn't figure it out. So you click on your logo again, then click on paid memberships again, and then this time underneath memberships, you just click manage membership and hit the drop down arrow, and just click deactivate, and it will cancel your trial for free, or even if it's paid, it will still cancel it and you won't have to pay for it anymore. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please remember to click the notification bell if you want to see more weekly tech tutorial uploads. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.